Hi and welcome to the Danville Public Library Children's Room. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make our craft this week, which this theme is dinosaurs, and we're going to be making some dinosaur eggs. So you're going to pick up a package just like this. You can pick it up at curbside or in the library from 9 to 6, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. And in that packet, don't forget, we want you to be reading this summer. If you read, just give us a call and tell us that you've read, and you'll get a cute little prize. In fact, this week's prize is dinosaur yo-yos. So just to show you, what you're going to get in the packet is a thing about our reading program, your little sheet to keep track of what you're reading, and then some fun little snacks, a little dinosaur egg, and this packet. And then of course directions on how to make it step by step. Pictures are on one side, directions are on the other. So the first thing you're going to do is open your package and just dump it in a bowl. Now, if you sniff it a little, you might be able to guess what one of the ingredients are. So in here are some flour, about a half a cup, a quarter cup of salt, and a quarter cup of coffee grounds. The one thing that you're going to have to provide is some water. I have half a cup, but you only need a quarter cup to put in the bowl. So I'm going to pour a quarter cup of water in the bowl. And you can do this a little bit at a time if you want. And then you just need a spoon, or you can even use your fingers and mix it all up. And when you mix it, it's going to kind of look like a gritty sand or soil. And you can always add a little bit more water if you need to, but this looks pretty good. Then the next thing that we're going to do is you're going to pop open your little egg, and ta-da! There's going to be a little dinosaur in there. So take some of your dough, and it should be like pliable, like I can mold it. And then I'm going to put my little dinosaur right there in the middle. And then I'm going to take the rest of this dough and just kind of keep packing it around. Packing it around. If you have more little dinosaur figures or something else you think might be fun to put in the middle of your egg, you can do that too. You can make more than one egg if you want. You can shape it any way you want to. This looks pretty good. Now, if you have it together like this and you notice that there's a crack or a bump and you don't particularly like it, take your extra water and you can just kind of smooth it out a little bit. Just kind of dip your fingers and smooth it out. Then you allow it to air dry. And you want to make sure that when you're air drying it, that you take it and you turn it over every so often. These eggs I made yesterday, and they're air drying, and so it's only been about 1 day, and it's going to take 2 or 3 days for them to be completely dry. These eggs I put in the oven. If you have an adult, make sure if you're going to use the oven that you have an adult with you. You're going to put it in the oven at 200 degrees for 4 hours. And I also flip them about halfway through. Now comes the fun part. Once they're completely dry, these eggs are pretty hard. So, to see what's in it, you might borrow some tools from mom or dad. So I have a screwdriver and a little hammer, and then you can just kind of see if you can get it opened up. It's in there somewhere. Ta-da! There he is. And then, if you pop it out, you can see that's left like kind of like a fossil behind where you can see the imprint of the dinosaur. Hope you enjoyed making the dinosaur eggs. Please come and visit us at the Danville Public Library. Bye.